Hey guys, CBPro33 here again. The opening of the new Dragon's Collide structure deck. I've opened one, and then I attempted to open another on camera, but my camera went stupid, so I had to warp it here, and then here's the box. It looks pretty nice. Alright, so we got the rulebook 8.0. Not very important. Here's the new map that it comes with. I think it looks pretty nice. I don't know if you guys can see all that. Alright, let's see. Deck list, and then just what the deck does, and then some cards you can use. Alright. This deck just came out yesterday, so I'm not too late for opening. Alright, this is still wrapping because I didn't even get it. Alright, here we go. Alright, so you got White Pulsar. In my opinion, that looks really nice. Dark Flare. And then Eclipse Wyvern, which is kind of like your really slow Stratos of the deck. Alright. And then I'll just go through the cards. Hope you can see these. Yep. Everyone's favorite common Dark Armed and common Red Eyes Darkness Metal. Reprint of Chaos Sorcerer. Summon Monk. I've personally been waiting for the reprint of Summon Monk for a while now, besides Gold Rare. Reprint of Lila. First reprint of Type of Man. That puts me at like 6 right go because I have 3 Korean ones. Reprint of Book of Moon. Okay. So basically, most of these commons will be for trade. These are the 5 newest cards. I don't really feel like explaining what they do right now, but yeah, this is what the deck comes with. These are all your really exciting reprints, in my opinion, though some might disagree. That's about it. Alright, but yeah, the deck itself, in my opinion, is pretty good. It will take a skilled duelist to make this deck broken as it could be. I'm not sure if it's going to do this, but hopefully it doesn't do a lot. Alright, so thanks for watching. And most, I guess, of these commons will be for trade. So if you want any, just offer up. I'm not really looking for a lot, but one thing I am looking for is Dragon's Ravine. So if you have one, please offer me, because I need 3. So thanks for watching.